Hey guys, this is Kate. She has the most beautiful naturally curly hair, and we're going to do a diamond balayage on her. I love this technique for curly hair. It's really great and it sits on the curls beautifully, so stay tuned.
Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay guys, so here we go. So this is from 2020, and we are going to create diamonds in the hair. So again, the mask. Okay, so as you can see, this is in real mode time. This is how I am applying it and the speed that I'm doing it. Now we speed it back up again. So as you can see, I created diamonds in the hair. So there's a whole diamond on the top and a diamond on the bottom. And I'm creating a ridge. So you can see that point. I will call that the ridge. And so I'm making sure that I am painting that ridge. Now, Kate doesn't want it all the way up to the scalp, and balayage is a saturation thing. So as you can see, it may still go up to the scalp, but it is not a heavy paint. And as I get down this strand, I paint heavier. Unless she's already pre-lightened, then I paint less. So it's all about saturation. A lot of people go, you use 40 volume when you paint? Yes, I do. Because I paint with saturation or I don't paint with saturation. And if I don't paint with saturation, then I'm getting more of like a 10 or 20 volume lift. But if I paint with a heavy saturation, then I will be getting a 40 volume lift, if that makes any sense. So as you can see, my application is going up the head and creating diamonds throughout the head. And here I am just painting that ridge again. And guys, if you find value in my content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the ding dong. So again, just going up and painting those diamonds. I'm going to connect those diamonds all through the head, and I'm going to go off the point. Now here we come to the temple. As you can see, I created two little diamonds there, but the diamond behind the front one, I'm going to leave a dropout because we want to leave our pockets of depth. So we're going to come to the front section. And guys, we got kind of busy, so we're only going to get one section of the side of the head here. So again, just creating that money piece and creating ridges off the top of the head and leaving a bit of a dropout around the face just to create a little bit of texture here. And so we're just going to go side to side on the board so we don't create any lines on the back. And again, just creating some more ridges and just creating that depth behind the money piece, which I will paint all the way to the scalp around her face just to give her that bold pop. Sometimes I do take my hands down the side and just like squeeze it a little bit just to get any like what I would balls on the hair. Balls will create saturation and create more lift in the area. So we processed her for 45 minutes and then we toned her with Redken shades 9VRO to give her a beautiful blush color, and we processed that for about 10 minutes, followed with Olaplex #2, styled her up, guys, and here it is, a beautiful soft blush color. Came out absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely love the hue. So now if that fades off, Kate, only thing she has to do is come in for a quick toner, and we are more than happy to do that for her whenever she needs. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the ding dong. Thanks, guys.